Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at the video category resource on YouTube Data API. Video category resource identifies a category that has been or could be associated with uploaded videos. So when we start uploading a video to YouTube, so we have an option to choose the category for each video that we upload. When we are uploading a particular video, so we have this category section where we have to choose one of these categories. So these are the valid categories that are available on YouTube, and without choosing one of these we cannot proceed, meaning we cannot upload a video. If you want to identify all the valid values to which a video can be associated, so in that case we can use this request to extract all those details. So the only method that is allowed on this video categories is a list, so which returns the list of categories that can be associated to YouTube videos. So here is the resource representation in JSON format, and here is the list of properties and their definition. If we go into this list request, so here are some more details. So video categories returns a list of categories that YouTube videos can be associated, as we already mentioned. And coming to the quota cast, it's 1 unit per each request, and here are some of the use cases. So list will retrieves a list of categories, as we already mentioned, and there is also another option to choose the categories based on the region. And here is the request URL, and here are the parameters that we can pass along with the request. Part, for which we can provide snippet, and for filters we have ID, which is nothing but the category ID, and the next one is region code. And we won't be having any request body because this is a list service. And the next one is a response. This is how the response will look like, and here are the response properties and their definitions. And this is the list of error messages that this request may return in case of any errors. Similar to how we executed the requests on the other request types. So on the right hand side we have a section to execute it, so where we can provide these details. And then for part I have provided snippet, and then region code I'll just give IN and then execute. IN stands for India. We have to give the access to execute this request using our Gmail ID. So once we provide access, this request will be executed, and this is how the response will look like. So these are the list of categories that are available for this region code. Now let's try to form this request using Postman and execute it. So here is the request that we have on Postman, so for video categories, and the method is get, for which we have provided our key, API key. For part we used snippet, region code I used IN for India, and then execute. And here is the response, and each and every item that is returned, so we have an ID associated to it, which is nothing but the video category ID. So there are so many categories that are being returned. So in case if you want to get details of a particular video category ID, add ID and then give 1, so that I can get details of this category, film and animation. I'll just click send. So here it says that I cannot use these two, I mean region code and ID at the same time. So I'll remove this region code and I'll just use ID. So it has returned the details about the that particular category. So this is how we can execute requests to retrieve video category details on YouTube Data API. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.